Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to delete design permanently on Canva for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Canva application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Canva. And after that, you can go to the menu in the below of the right corner. Click on the menu and you go to the recent designs. Okay, if you want to be deleted, you can click the three dots for your design, the three dots in the upper of the right corner, and you can go to the move to trust. It's not mean your design is permanently to be deleted. It's just to move the trust. Okay, if you want to delete for permanently, you can go to the menu again, click on the menu, and you can go to the trust, click on the trust. Okay, if you want to delete it for permanently, you can click the three dots in the upper of the right, the design is, click on. And next, there is have two options. First one is to restore. It means your file is restored for the recently or your project. And the second one is delete permanently. It means your design is deleted for permanent. Okay, click on the delete permanently. There is to confirm you delete permanently. You are about to delete to design permanently. This can be undone. Okay, click delete permanently. And now your trash is empty, and you go to your project here, and in your project the design is no more to be accessed again. Okay, this is a tutorial how to delete design permanently on Canva for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.